The death of a mother and her 3 children by suicide in West Haven has left a family grieving and searching for answers. Maternal mental health experts in Utah want moms to know there is help available. News specialist Lindsay Ertz joins us live now. Lindsay, what's their message?
Yeah, Deanie, well, I spoke to a couple of mental health professionals today who specifically focus on maternal mental health, and they say support is the best thing that we all can do for new moms, and they want any new mom out there to know that if they're struggling, they're not alone.
It's, of course, really hard to make sense of something like this.
For therapists like Camille Hawkins, tragedies like what happened in West Haven hit all too close to home.
I often see that parents will get a lot of support with their first baby, and then with their second baby, maybe not as much, and then third baby, nobody's there.
As a therapist who specializes in postpartum mood disorders, she meets with women daily who are struggling while still trying to care for small children.
The postpartum period is, of course, a vulnerable time. There's a lot going on, but even beyond that, parenthood, life is challenging.
Police have ruled that the death of Maribel Ibarra and her 3 children were a murder-suicide. Hawkins hopes all of us can do a better job of supporting new mothers.
I really think that what we're missing is the village mentality.
Amy Rose White has been working for over 20 years trying to help get new moms the support they need.
If you see something, say something about someone that you love. And if you don't feel like yourself, keep reaching out for help until you get what's actually going to be effective for you.
She says postpartum issues can take many forms and aren't necessarily right after birth.
At least 1/4 of all American women will have postpartum depression clinically, which often looks more anxious, irritable, anger, and rageful than it does, crying under a blanket and being non-functional all day.
Most importantly, though, Rose White and Hawkins both say regardless of whether you've been diagnosed, there is help here in Utah.
Don't give up. Help is out there. Keep trying. You're worth it.
Now, Help Me Grow Utah is one website that specifically focuses on new mothers with young children. The state of Utah also has a maternal mental health website where you can search for a provider, a therapist in your area who covers specifically maternal mental health issues. We've linked those and other resources at KSLTV.com. Reporting live for KSL5 News, I'm Lindsay Ertz. Back to you.
Lindsay, important message. Thank you. If you or someone you love is struggling, help is available. Utah has a 24/7 lifeline that you can call to get a hold of a real person, and you can talk when you need it.